Nubia Red Magic 6R review. But before we start, please support us by pressing the like and subscribe buttons, so that we can continue to provide the latest information about gadgets and technology. Also turn on the bell button to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. It's been only 3 months since the Nubia Red Magic 6 launch, and we are already getting another version of the gaming-centric flagship, Nubia Red Magic 6R. This new, our acing model is supposed to be the mainstream version with more elegant looks, a smaller and lightweight body, and a better selfie camera. The Red Magic 6R should be keeping the impressive gaming kit the original model offered, so we know we'll be in for a treat. The first thing everyone would notice about the Nubia Red Magic 6R is the easier on the eyes design. The flashy colors are gone, replaced by elegant silver or black paint with the bare minimum of decorative elements. Gone is the built-in fan, which makes for a thinner and lighter body. Let's hope the improved passive cooling system is up to the job. The screen has shrunk a bit, its diagonal is now 6.67 inch, down from 6.8 inches. And while it's still an AMOLED with 10-bit color support, its refresh rate maxes out at 144 Hz, down from 165 Hz. We are not sure we can consider this as a loss, as a handful of games supported the super high refresh rate anyway. The Red Magic 6R has kept the same Snapdragon 888 5G chip. The 400 Hz pressure-sensitive triggers are here to stay. Unfortunately, the Red Magic 6R has lost its top speaker and it has no 3.5mm audio jack. The 64MP primary and 8MP ultra-wide cameras remain identical to the ones on the Red Magic 6, but they received as companions a better 5MP macro and a 2MP depth sensor. The selfie camera has gotten a boost, too, it's now 16MP, up from 8MP. Finally, the smaller Red Magic 6R body accommodates a smaller battery. It's now a 4,200 mAh cell with 30 watts charging for the global units and 55 watts charging for the Chinese version. The Red Magic 6 had a 5,050 mAh battery with 66 watts fast charging. We will explore these more in our battery and charging chapters, of course. ZTE Nubia Red Magic 6R specs at a glance. Body, 163.0 by 75.3 by 7. 8mm, 186 grams, Gorilla Glass 3 front, aluminum frame, glass back, pressure-sensitive zones, 400 Hz touch sensing. Display, 6.67 inches AMOLED, 1B colors, 144 Hz, 770 nits, peak, 1080 by 2400 px resolution, 20:9 aspect ratio, 395p. Chipset, Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 5G, 5 nanometers, octa-core, 1x2. 84 GHz Creo 680 and 3x2. 42 GHz Creo 680 and 4x1. 80 GHz Creo 680, Adreno 660. Memory, 128 GB 6 GB RAM, 128 GB 8 GB RAM, 128 GB 12 GB RAM, 256 GB 12 GB RAM, UFS 3.1. OS/software, Android 11, Red Magic 4.0. Rear camera, wide, main, 64MP, f/1.8, 26mm, 11.73, 0.8 micrometers, PAF, ultra wide angle, 8MP, f/2.0, 120, 13mm, 1/4.0, 1.12 micrometers, macro, 5MP, depth, 2MP. Front camera, 16MP, f/1.8, wide. Video capture, rear camera, 4K at 30/60 fps, 1080p at 30/60/120/240 fps, front camera, 1080p at 30 fps. Battery, 4200 mAh, fast charging 55 watts, China, fast charging 30 watts, global, power delivery 3.0, quick charge 4. Miscellaneous, fingerprint reader, under display, optical. Just like the Red Magic 6, the 6R is not water resistant. And it doesn't offer a microSD card slot. According to the official website, the Red Magic 6R should be compatible with the iStock RGB cooler and the eSports handle, which is a good thing if you want to squeeze the maximum of your gaming phone. Unboxing the Nubia Red Magic 6R. The Red Magic 6R comes packed within a beautiful black box. It contains the phone, a red USB cable, a 30 watts power brick, and a red 3.5mm to USB-C adapter.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun.